today, got the 04 Vibe here, and today I am changing the fuel vapor canister purge valve. This is the one I'm using. The reason why I'm changing it is because the fuel mileage has dropped and it has started ticking extremely bad. Now obviously I located the tick and it's pretty easy to find. Had this car for a little while and it's been pretty quiet, maybe a slight tick under there from it, but lately it's gotten so bad that you can hear it with the hood shut outside the car. So it's gotten extremely loud, almost like a lifter tick. So I'm going to go under here, change it real quick and show you how to do it. The valve is actually located in a pretty easy to get to spot right here. You see the harness right here, air box, mass airflow, master cylinder, it's right here. So what we're going to do is disconnect the harness here. And then we have two clamps to remove. Then we should be able to just remove this. Now with the hoses out of the way, here's a new one, and you can see this little button here on the back side. So what you're going to do is reach up under here, find the little button, push out and pull up. Of course, now installing is just as simple. Slide it back in place where it clicks. Reinstall the hoses and clamps, which I'm able to actually squeeze the clamps by hand. So it made it a little bit easier on this side where I had issues trying to get pliers. Slide it back on. Reinstall the clamps, and then we will reinstall the harness, and it's that simple. So there it is, completely easy, quick change. Hopefully it helps the fuel mileage. I'll find out in a little bit, but this old one, like I said, was making extremely loud clicking, way louder than normal, which is not right. So there it is. You can do this yourself in your driveway, and really almost with no tools. The only tool you may have to have is pliers and a screwdriver, a Phillips, because the bolt, the screw that is actually holding the air intake tube, it can possibly be in the way and cause you some issues, so you may have to move that. No big deal. But there it is. I hope this information proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.